Hayden Wills from Canon Australia. My role is the manager of wide format marketing. And so here we are today at Visual Impact in Sydney. So we'll start with the theme of the stand. So we've chosen the theme, as you can see, with the hashtag "As Committed as You." And so the whole idea around that as our theme really is around our commitment to the industry. So we believe that we are best positioned, not only with our range of machines, but also just our attitude towards the wide format industry. So we've got constant R&D, the global footprint coming out of Europe, Asia and North America. And so that keeps us very busy with a constant flow of new innovations, and I'll show you as we move along some examples of the new machines that we've introduced recently. We've also got a good national footprint throughout Australia in terms of sales and service and application type support, and we're quite proud of the fact that we do have real focus and dedication to the wide format industry, and so we believe that we are a really good partner in that space. We'll go through and have a look at some of the machines that we've got on the stand. I should probably also point out the imagery that we're using really does support our commitment. So you can see here that we've taken that sort of outdoor type theme with our imagery, and we're saying if you're going to climb the mountain, we can climb it with you and take you through the steps and help you reach your goals. And so that's the idea around that imagery, and you'll see across all the applications that we're producing on the stand, and there's some examples just here that we're using that sort of consistent imagery and theming across most of what we're doing on the stand. We'll start with this machine here. So this one is the Osei Color Wave, and this has been an absolute champion for us. It's a machine that the industry really does love. So this machine is really positioned for the sort of indoor or temporary signage. So we can see an example of the type of output that we've got here. So it's a toner machine. Hold that up. So we can see we've got that type of imagery. So it's predominantly the indoor signage, but the machine is certainly capable of producing anything from your line drawings right up to your full colour work. And we've got some applications on display here. We've got a pull-up banner, we've got canvas prints, we've got wallpaper, we've got wrapping paper, and so this machine is quite capable of doing all of that. It's a very versatile machine. In fact, we call it the business in a box. So for a print shop, you should be able to do about 90% of anything that comes in terms of jobs. You'll be able to produce on this machine. So it's very versatile, very functional, and of course for our customers, very profitable too. This machine that we've got here is the new Canon IPF Pro series. So this one is the 6000S, so it's an 8-color, and this machine is really positioned for fine art and photo reproductions. So here's an example of the vibrancy that you can see with the output there. So we've recently introduced this machine, so some of the enhancements on this machine has really been about the print quality and the speed. We've reduced the footprint, so you can see here on the floor graphic, this is the size of the previous model. So you can see here that we've saved ourselves about a foot, and so that's was received quite well by the industry, because of course floor space is very expensive. We also use a new ink system, which allows us to get the same sort of results using less ink, and so that means the reduced running costs. And so this machine has been received extremely well in its fine art and photo reproduction, and so it's been a real winner for us. It's fantastic. This machine that we're seeing here now is the OSO Pro Cut. So this is something we source from Zund. And so the difference with the OSO Pro Cut over the buying straight from Zund is that we've got software that we've developed in conjunction with Zund that comes standard with the Pro Cut, and so that just enables the machine to do a little bit more. It's a bit easier to use. It just becomes more functional, and you're able to do more applications on it. So I think at the moment we're cutting some perspex, I believe, but this one has been very popular amongst the whole suite of machines.
It goes hand in hand with the Arizonas.
It certainly does, and so the software can work across both the Arizona and the Pro Cut. So you can just literally lift off the table of the Arizona and then put it onto the Pro Cut. Yeah, it's all good. This machine here is the new OSO Arizona 2200 series, and so this machine we've flown in specifically for the show. So this really does serve as the release of the new 2200 series, and so this is the second new machine that we've introduced over the last little while. So again, it sort of shows our commitment to the industry by we're currently upgrading and introducing new machines. And so some of the enhancements that we've seen on this particular model has been around the print quality and speed. And we're able to add extras like the roll media option, which is not something that all of our competitors can do. We've got amazing technology to ensure that the flatbed is flat, and so that's something that you would expect from a flatbed printer, but it can cause all sorts of problems if you don't have a flatbed that is truly flat, because of course you get inconsistent results across the print.
How many of these have you got installed? Not this particular model, but the Arizonas in particular. It might be worth knowing, your installation base.
Installation base, I'm not entirely sure. It's exactly how many we've got out there in the field. I mean, I can find out, but globally, we've got more than 5,000. Yeah.
I can believe it.
Yeah. So it is the best-selling flatbed machine in the world. And we certainly enjoy a good position with it here in Australia. And we also have the registration pins, and so it's a recent addition, not exclusive to the 2200 series, but certainly something that's been well received by the market as well. And of course, something else that sort of positions as well is our service and support. So both technically and with applications, because of course we've got customers that have all sorts of weird and wonderful requirements in terms of printing applications, and so we're able to offer that type of support to ensure that they can get that type of work done. And also the print quality that we're able to achieve on substrates like glass and timber is certainly far superior to that of other machines, so we're quite proud of that too.
You're printing on glass, is there any pre-treatment at all, or is it
I think predominantly there would need to be some sort of primer on there, that's laid down first,